Good luck, drivers. Let's have a clean start. Drivers ready. Quarter marshals ready. We're going racing on the sound of the tone. It's easy in this first turn, guys.
Go home. Yeah. Oh, in there. Oh. Go Pumpler. Come on, Howard. Go.
All right, your leader down the straightaway. Leading lap number 1 is first time in the lead, Kyo Suzuki.
Oh yeah, good. We're in a good position. Go. We need a pile up over there.
It is Kyo down the straightaway.
You got certified?
30 seconds in, guys. Keep it clean. Keep it clean.
Oh, come on.
Our leader is going to be Kyo Suzuki in this 7 car. Second spot is going to be Chris Granger, followed by Josh Searle. Then it's going to be Mike Dumas, Thomas Pumpler, and Atsushi Hara. Down the straight they go. Race 3 to tech, please. 3 to tech. It's a 7 car out front, followed by Granger, Searle. Then it's going to be Dumas, Pumpler, Hara, Surikar. Oh, Thomas catching a corner. Here they come down the straight with Dumas and Searle. Wheel a wheel. Oh, man. Josh is on the curve.
Come on, Hara. Keep going. Is he feeling it?
348, guys. 348.
Oh, my boy, in third. Dude, it's over.
Our leader, Kyo Suzuki in the 7 car. Second spot, Chris Granger in the 4, followed by Atsushi Hara in the 5. Mike Dumas in the 8. That's going to be Thomas, Josh, and Surikar. Our leader down the straightaway lead right now over Granger, over Hara, 7-4-5-8, 7-4-5-8. 3 minutes, 20 seconds to go, 3:20 to go. Keep it clean, guys. Oh, man, Dumas rolling it. Back rolling again. Here is Hara now on attack to Granger. Good blocking move there from Chris in the 4. Beautiful track. Oh, man. Hara, stop and go, please. Go, thank you. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. 3 minutes left to go, a lot of time. It's Kyo Suzuki out front, followed by Atsushi. That's going to change. Josh Searle in the 2, Thomas in the 6, Sar Kieran in the 3. Oh, wheel a wheel. Oh, Hara driving deep. Oh, man, nice pass there. Sar and Hara wheel a wheel. Oh, man, Hara catches the nut. Our leader, Kyo Suzuki, big lead. Oh, my, look at the 7 car go. And then we got a dog fight for second. Hara, Thomas, Surikar, Granger, Cartwright, Searle. 2 minutes, 20 seconds to go. Half a lap lead right now for Kyo Suzuki in that 7 car. Then it's Hara in the 5, the 6, 7, 5, 6. 2 minutes to go, 2 to go, 2 to go. 2 minutes, drivers, 2 minutes. It is Kyo Suzuki down the straightaway, out front in the 7, half a lap lead. Second spot is Hara. Got a battle between Thomas and Surikar. Easy, guys, on to the inside it goes. Surikar goes on by. Hard under braking. Thomas trying to close that gap. Oh, Surikar opens the door a little bit. Pumpler and Granger trying to take advantage, can't do it. Stop and go, 4 car, please. Stop and go. Next lap, 4 car. Minute 30 to go, guys. 1:30 to go. It is Kyo Suzuki in the 7 car out front. Second is going to be Atsushi Hara in the 5. Our leader coming up the traffic here down the straightaway. Half a lap lead, 6.6 seconds. In the box, Chris. Right here, right here. Go. Thank you. 105 drivers. It is Kyo Suzuki in the 7, Atsushi Hara in the 5, Surikar in the 3. 1 minute left. Andrew Cartwright to the 4th spot, followed by the 6 is Thomas. The 2 is Searle, the 8 is Dumas, the 4 of Granger. Kyo Suzuki in the 7 car. Good sportsmanship for Mike Dumas. Thank you. Through the kink he goes with 40 seconds to go. Hara is second down the back straightaway in the 5. 30 seconds to go, guys. 30 seconds to go.
Oh, my only good step.
It is Kyo Suzuki in the 7 car out front, working his way, being patient. Second spot is Hara in the 5, Surikar in the 3. Cartwright and Cartwright and Pumpler are going at it. The 1 and a 6 through the S's. Got 10 seconds to go. One more lap. That is time, guys. Racing to the line. Thomas trying. Oh, Andrew catches the corner. Thomas going to go on by. That is time, drivers. Wait for Dumas to come around. That is time. Taking a win, Kyo Suzuki. Second spot is Sushihara, followed by Surkar, Thomas, Andrew, Josh, Mike, and Chris.